5 rules that hit me hard. Number 1. Take responsibility for your life. One of the most impactful rules is to take full responsibility for your life and the choices you make. Recognize that you have the power to shape your own destiny, and that blaming others or circumstances will only hold you back. Embrace accountability and actively work towards creating the life you desire. Number 2. Embrace failure and learn from it. Failure is a natural part of life, and instead of fearing it, embrace it as an opportunity for growth. Learn from your mistakes, extract valuable lessons, and use them to improve yourself and your future endeavors. Remember that failure is not an endpoint, but a stepping stone on the path to success. Number 3. Follow your passion and purpose. Discovering and pursuing your passions and aligning them with your purpose can bring immense fulfillment and satisfaction to your life. Identify what truly lights a fire within you and have the courage to pursue it relentlessly. When you are passionate about what you do, success becomes a byproduct of your dedication and enthusiasm. Number 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your mindset, motivation, and overall well-being. Surround yourself with positive, supportive, and like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. Limit your exposure to negative influences that drain your energy and hinder your growth. Number 5. Practice gratitude and live in the present moment. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude and embracing the present moment can bring immense joy and contentment to your life. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for and shift your focus to the present instead of dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Embracing gratitude and mindfulness can enhance your overall happiness and perspective on life. Remember, these rules are meant to be applied and lived consistently. Embrace them, reflect on their meaning in your life, and take deliberate actions to align your thoughts and behaviors accordingly.